Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. What's it going to be about? Well, we're going to make some of that good old cheesy corn casserole. And we're also going to make green bean casserole. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and what you actually need. Now, for the cheesy corn, you're going to need that Jiffy Mix, 1 box. You're going to need 1 can of cream corn, 1 can of whole corn. You're going to need 1 egg, 1 stick of melted butter or margarine, and 8 ounces of cheese, and a half a cup of sour cream. So let's get started here and mix it up, guys, and we'll see how this goes. And then we're also, like I say, we're going to do that green bean casserole too. You're going to need 2/3 cup of milk, 1 cream of mushroom soup. You're going to need about 6 ounces of those French fried onions there. And I don't think I missed anything. Oh yeah, let's not forget the green beans, 2 cans of that. So, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start out with the green beans here. And we've got a strainer here too. We're just going to pour that juice out, and then we're going to put it in that bowl there. Wanted to show that real quick, so hold on. Okay, guys, now we're going to put that 1 can of cream mushroom, and we're going to put 2/3 cup of milk in there, and then we're going to put those onions in there, so hold on. Okay, guys, so I got that mixed up, and now hold on, we're going to put the French onions in, so hold on. Okay, guys, so now we got that stirred up. And now we're going to put that in that tray, and then we'll start on the cheesy corn, and we're going to put it in there side by side. So I want to show how you do both of them, so hold on. Okay, guys, so this is what our green bean casserole is going to look like, and then I'll show a final product in basically after I get it cooked in part 2. But we're going to move on here to the cheesy corn casserole, so hold on. Okay, guys, so we strained the regular corn, and then we got our, basically the cream style there. We're not going to strain that out because we want it to be kind of smooth and creamy there. And then I'll show you how we're going to do this. Hold on. Okay, guys, so there's our 1 egg. We're going to put it in there. We're going to microwave that butter a little bit and melt it so we can pour that in. And then we'll get to the mix itself, the Jiffy Mix. So hold on. Okay, guys, now I put the butter in there, okay, and I stirred it up. So now our last 2 ingredients is going to be basically the Jiffy Mix itself and the sour cream. And I'm going to add the sour cream last, but hold on. Okay, guys, now I've added the Jiffy Mix, and now we're going to put the 8 ounces of sour cream in there. So hold on again. Okay, guys, so they're ready to go. So I got the oven already preheated to 350 degrees. The green beans call, say, about 25 minutes. And the cheesy corn, 40 minutes. But you want to keep an eye on it because depending if you got a gas stove or, electric, anything can vary. So you just got to kind of keep your eye on it. But 40 minutes is recommended on the cheesy corn. And like I say, 25 on the green beans. Anyway, guys, I'll be doing a part 2 on this, show how it come out. So, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. Have a good one.